Hi guys, it's Davi and Castle here, and we're back at you with another video. So today, fam, we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be doing a decorate with me, my first time, and we're actually getting ready to decorate our home for Christmas. I know it's a bit early, but everyone's needing a little bit more holiday cheer. I know we are, so we're going to go ahead and just dive in. I tried to hold off as long as I can, but I think 12 days, 13 days into November
and 5 days and 5 days.
Is more than enough. I can't hold back anymore. So I'm going to be showing you how we do decorate our home on a budget-friendly, DIY-friendly, small budget. And let's get started.
Yeah, let's get started.
I want to show you guys what we're starting with. We're going to be decorating this area,
I'm done.
the living room. I have an open floor plan. So this is the space we have to work with. So you can see I'm going to be removing all my fall decorations that are here. I did DIY these pumpkins.
And here in the video, in the pumpkin.
Yes, so I'm going to be removing all the fall things, and I'm going to be replacing what we got going here with a winter vibe. I also do have some stuff over here that I'm going to be swapping out. So this is my little fall decor that I had, Castle. And I did DIY these pumpkins here. So yeah, let's get started. My decor in here. All of my holiday decor. Castle, can you come out? Can you come out? So I actually have them in clear containers. There are labels on them. But I tend to have all the Christmas things right here because I know I'm going to film this video. So I'm going to pull everything out so y'all can see what we're working with. Officially pull everything out that's Christmas related so I can see what I'm going to be utilizing this year. And you can kind of see my bin system for the holidays. So as I grow, I have room in some of the bins to expand more. Otherwise, we'll see what happens when we get there. But I like to see what I have to work with and then start from there. Here's our tree. We did grab this at Walmart. Shout out to my father-in-law gifting it to us. So we are going to put it right here, I'm thinking this year. This is our second Christmas in our home. Last year we did have it over here, but the furniture was arranged differently. So now we're gonna put it right here. So. Tree fanatic. I do not believe in spending hundreds of dollars on the decor. I'm trying to, I got a budget here. So what I had already from last year doesn't have a tag on it. So I had some gold ornaments because I started last year. Had some of this gold garland, some gold plants. I added some more this year because some of them have tags. I also picked this up. I got this at Walmart. These were also $1. Got Star Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna work with what I have. I'm doing a black and gold theme, at least on the tree, and then I'll go through what I have to see what I can add that works with it. So let's get started. Hey guys, it's Davi. I'm checking back in with you guys. I'm still working on the decorate with me. So far what I've done last night was put up what I had already from last year, our first year, with a few new pieces that I had picked up just for the Christmas tree, some decorative pieces. Now, since I rearranged my furniture differently than last year and I have more furniture than last year, I have new spaces that I need to decorate that I don't have enough decorations for. So I'm going to make a run to my favorite Dollar Tree. Not all Dollar Trees are created the same. There's some that are just much better than others, are stay in stock. So I'm going to pull up at my favorite location, try to find something cohesive that goes with my current red and gold theme for my entry table. So we'll see what we find. Also, Castle has a homework assignment that we gotta fulfill, decorate a turkey. So we're gonna be looking for some stuff that we can utilize for her homework as well. So let's go. So I'm updating our stockings. We've had the same one since before she was born. No, since she was born, so about 5 years. So it's time to upgrade. So I got 3. Plan on using these in the foyer. I got 2 to balance it out. Also saw this little sled sign. So I'm sure I'm gonna use this somehow over there in the foyer area. More garland because I need to add it to the bottom of my tree for the night out. I got this little sled because I wanted to put the 2 elves that I purchased inside, and I'm so glad this year they actually have elves with brown skin tones. I know last year they had some, but normally people were either painting them or tinting them to get them to be their skin color. So I'm not sure if I want to use my circuit machine to put our names on them like I see people doing, but as for now, they are going to go in the sled in the foyer area. One of the first things I saw, get back, Castle. Sit down. One of the first things I saw was this little sign, very Christmas, festive like. I want to use that for sure. Castle picked up this.
And we got these.
Thank you. This is not related to the Christmas stuff. I'm actually using this for a sewing project. Slow down, girl.
And we got this.
You know what it says?
Happy Christmas.
Not quite, but I did get this nice size tray. I'm not sure when I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it in the foyer area, but I'm going to figure it out because I'm trying to make the most out of everything I got. Some of the stuff is Castle stuff. Not really going to go over that, but more garland. Oh, and they got a tree skirt. It says it's 18 inches, so we want to see how big it is for sure. Castle likes bath bombs, so that's some more stuff for her.
Yeah. Well, I never play with Legos for.
Castle, go get your Halloween, your Jack Christmas paper and bring it here.
Yeah.
And then I got 2 of these. I got 2 mini Christmas trees that I'm going to decorate.
Jack the Pumpkin King.
And Castle recently learned about the Nightmare Before Christmas this year.
Jack
now she's
the
obsessed with
Pumpkin King.
the Pumpkin King. So she said she wants her gifts wrapped in this, which is perfect because it's on the same color scheme.
Pumpkin
And
King.
those are each $1, everything from the Dollar Tree. And then I got some more gold ornaments to fill in my tree. So, yeah. Let's get to work. is the next area I want to tackle. I kind of just put everything I have left over here, so I can know where to start. But yeah, I'm going to take everything off and see what I have from today that I purchased.